How to fix lag and slowing problem in your Chrome browser easily and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Google Chrome and then go to the top corner here, click on those three dots and then scroll down and you will find many options right here, as you can see. Now all what you have to do here is simple. Just go to the settings and then go to system and make sure to disable the hardware acceleration when available option like this, and then click on relaunch to restart Chrome browser. And after that, go here to the downloads page and make sure to delete all the downloads that you have, and then go down here and you will find the receipt and clean up. Click here and click find, and after that it must be working for you well. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the very end. See you later.